Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're looking for a fun sippy cup for your little one, you're going to want to check out this bottle from the brand Nuby.
My little one loves to drink out of this sippy cup. It's the perfect size for him. It's really easy to hold. I love the colors. It's so cute. The design with the national parks and camping theme. It is adorable for my little explorer. This sippy cup is perfect for when we're on the go because it locks up on top. But it's also great for at the house. It's made out of plastic and it has taken a lot of throws and tumbles. My little one is not gentle with his sippy cups, but this has held up really well. I also like that you can lock it and it also has a string in the back to hang it on your backpack.
So, if you're looking for your little one's next sippy cup, definitely check out this water bottle from the brand Nuby. It's so cute. Your little one will love drinking water out of it, and that's my point of view.